AI is everywhere in our workflows, our decisions, even our creativity. But here's the truth, while 78% of organizations are using AI today, only a small fraction actually have strong AI governance in place. That means companies are deploying AI fast, but failing even faster. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step checklist to build your AI governance program, one that helps you lead with trust, not regret. Why is AI governance so urgent right now? Because AI has evolved faster than most organizations can adapt. We have gone from simple analytics to autonomous systems, generative models, and self learning agents, all in just a few years. And as the EU AI Act, India's Digital India AI framework, and the White House's AI Bill of Rights roll out globally, AI governance has become more than a nice to have, it's a survival strategy. AI governance isn't paperwork or compliance theater. It's how you make AI safe, scalable, and sustainable. So before you roll out your next chatbot, model, or agent, ask yourself, do we have governance layers in the place to keep this responsible? The first step, and this is where most teams fail, is leadership commitment. If executives don't visibly back governance, it becomes an afterthought buried under deadlines. You need senior leadership to own this agenda, not just approve it. Define your scope early. Which business units are in? Which AI systems are in production? Which regions are covered by regulation? A scoped approach avoids chaos. Write down who's accountable. It could be your chief AI officer, data scientist head, or a cross functional AI ethics council. This single step sets the tone. The governance is not bureaucracy, it's your foundation for trust. The second step is simple, but often skipped. You can't govern what you don't know exists. Most organizations don't have a complete list of AI systems running across departments. Without that, you're flying blind. Create an AI inventory. Every model, dataset, owner, business use case, and risk level. Include details like where do the data come from? Who built the model? What decisions does it influence? And then map your data flows. Understanding your data lineage is key to ensuring transparency, privacy, and bias control. This inventory becomes your single source of truth, the foundation of your governance framework. Not every AI system carries the same level of risk. A chatbot that helps customers reset passwords is low risk. An algorithm that decides who gets a loan or a medical diagnosis, that's high risk. Your governance controls must scale with the level of risk. For high-risk systems, apply deeper controls. Things like bias and fairness audits, explainability testing, human-in-the-loop review, and continuous monitoring. For lower-risk systems, use lighter oversight, but don't skip governance entirely. You can align your process with global frameworks like ISO 42001 or NIST's AI Risk Management Framework. The key idea is that governance is proportional and not uniform. Once you have classified risk, you need policies and monitoring mechanisms that bring governance to life. This includes an AI use policy that defines what AI can and cannot be used for in your organization, a procurement policy for third-party AI tools, and model governance practices like model cards, data sheets, and explainability documentation. Set clear thresholds for when a system triggers alerts, like performance drift, fairness deviation, or data leakage. And make sure you can trace every major AI decision back to its source. Who built it, what data is used, and how it was validated. That's accountability in action. Now here's where the magic happens. Culture. AI governance doesn't live in policies, it lives in people. You need to train every employee, not just data scientists, on what responsible AI means in their context. Run scenario workshops. What could go wrong if this model behaves unpredictably? Encourage teams to report incidents and near misses without fear. Remember, governance is not a one time project, it's a continuous journey of learning, feedback, and improvement. So, here's your quick recap. First, secure leadership and define your scope. Second, inventory your AI systems and data. Third, classify risks and apply the right controls. Fourth, establish strong policies and monitoring. Fifth, build a culture that values responsible AI. If you follow these 5 steps, you'll be far ahead of the curve, building AI that's not only smart but trustworthy. Share your biggest challenge in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on AI governance, ethics, and responsible AI.